Hey y'all, welcome back to the Southern Cottage. I am Connie and we are back in the craft room and I am jumping on the zipper pull bandwagon. I ordered some stuff from Amazon 2 or 3 months ago, got it in, left it packaged so I could open it up and show you guys what I got and how I'm going to use it. Let me show you. There's a link in the description for everything that I've bought. It is on my Amazon storefront. Let me show you what I got, and let's put one of these together. Okay, I got 3 different things. This first one is, it's a 50-piece set. It was $21.99, and they are just the D-rings. I don't know if I'll be using these. These are nice and sturdy, pretty heavy duty. So you can always use D-rings for just about anything. If I don't end up using them for the keychains or the zipper pulls, I'm not worried about having some of those. This next thing is, it's a 60-piece. It's $13.99. And there are, what, 3 or 4 different kinds of these key fobs. And it came with the lobster claws. It came with tassels. So we have black, silver, a gold tone, and then this bronzy color. So I think there's only the bronzy color and the silver in here. And all these are topped with silver, which is fine with me. I'll end up giving these gold away. And then, last but not least, is this one. And I bought this one because it was bulk. $13.99, 41 pieces, but it came with the tool that you use to clamp these together. Sorry about the plastic rattling. Get that out of the way. All right. These are both silver. And this is the tool you use to clamp them together. And I see this coming in handy for a lot of things. It's protected here so you won't damage the metal. So yeah, I love having the right tools for the right job. I'm going to go ahead and throw these boxes away. Let me get set up and I'll be right back. All right, when I redid my bling on the last video, I showed y'all I had one of these open and I left it available for a reason. So I'm going to go ahead and get all this stuff organized before I go any further. I'm going to keep like with like. I'm going to leave these in the bags that they're in so I don't have to pick through a bunch of them. And I'm going to go ahead and put the tassels in there. I have more tassels in another spot. And then all of my D-rings are going in here. It's about to get loud. Okay. Let me see if this fits. It does. So I'll have all of that together, and anything else that I collect, I still have more space. But yeah, I've got all my hardware together for this. Now let's make one. Okay. So while going through some more of my stuff, I actually found that I had some more. These are actually D-rings. These are carabiners. I misspoke. But I have these as well. These are a little smaller. I don't know what I bought them for, but they're going to go in this container as well. So I have everything together because I didn't even realize I had these. They're going in here with the rest of my stuff. Because I'm hoping that these are something that people will want to have. So we're going to keep them in there. And I'm going to bring out just one of these. I'll transfer these over later on. But I have gotten a plethora of ribbon. And these are going to be made just a little bit different than the ones that you've seen. Because the ones that you've seen, they are draped over. Okay? And they're doubled like this. And I can make some of those with this, but right now I want to make them with these. So let me keep one of these out, and I want to see how long to cut this. And if you hadn't noticed, I'm going to do them at about 8 inches. I'm going for a white and silver theme. I'm going to use one of the senior acrylics that I made. I've got a white tassel that I bought previously. A heart. These came from TEMU, and this came from Hyla. So all of these are going to go on there. And I like to work in threes. I don't know if I'm going to use them all, but I'm going to cut 3 of each. And if this turns out right, y'all please remember, this is my first time making these. So I am learning as I go with you guys. And like I said, if I don't end up using all 3 of everything that I cut, I'll just cut another one and make additional ones. I'm going to save this for hanging. Some of this might be too curly. I don't know. We will see. My Dollar Tree ribbon right here. Get a nice edge on that one. I'm going to go ahead and cut all of my pieces, and I'll be right back and we'll figure out how to put this all together. Okay, I've gotten everything cut, and now I'm going to hang these. Cutting that to a point where I can get my heart strung on here because these holes are tiny. There's that, and I think I'm going to go ahead and put the 24 on here. And have them all together right there. No, I'm not. The 24 is coming off. That's going to go with the tassel. So I'm going to leave that just like that is. And let me just tie a knot in the top. Since I don't know exactly how long this is going to need to be, I left it long. And I have a ton of this ribbon. I'm thinking this is going to be a great way to utilize some of these tiny ribbons that we don't often get to use unless we're hanging trinkets. All right. Let's do the tassel first. And then the 24. There we go. Thinking I might go ahead and just tie a single knot right there just to keep it where it needs to be instead of sliding up and down this ribbon. I should have done it on that one. I might do that before we might cut it and tie a knot in it. Just to keep that together. So now we have that. And if you'll notice, I got a piece of grosgrain, and it's a lot shorter than all these others. And I did that on purpose, so I could use it to attach all of these ribbons, because these tiny ribbons, they're going to have a hard time, because basically you want to attach everything where it touches these pins when you squeeze them together, and I'm not going to be able to do that at all. So I'm going to glue them down here and then sandwich them in between, and then this will be grabbed by those two prongs when we squeeze them together. Oh, come on. There's one piece. Where's the other one? There we go. All right, now everything is ready to go together. So I need to figure out how wide this needs to be. I'm gonna put a little mark on it. And this is gonna be on the inside. It can't go any farther out than this. All right. When I lay them on, I need to scoot these out of the way so we can get up here so you can see. I think this is a 1.5, no, this is 1 inch. They're exactly 1 inch wide, but if we lay them at angles like we do on the back of a mum, we can get some dimension that way. All right, here we go. I probably need to get some finger protectors because I'm about to burn the crap out of my fingers. And I'm going to try to go easy on this glue so I don't have it big and bulky under here. Yep, there's enough glue there for this one. Okay. This is my Dollar Tree, not my Dollar Tree, my TEMU ribbon right there. It's funny, I'm putting these together just like I am a mom. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's get some bling up in here. I think I'm only going to use one of those. Maybe two. Yeah. Use a couple. All of this stuff is going to show when it's hung up. All right, it's already getting bulky here. It's already getting thick, which is fine, but I need to keep it in mind as I start moving through. But I definitely want a lot of layers on this. Let's get some solid here. and some of my Dollar Tree. We'll put that down the middle. All right, some of this stuff I'm using 1, some I'm using 2, some I'm using 3. All right. I don't have any of this in there. I love this stuff. Okay, let's get some dimension on this front. I should have thrown some of this in there to begin with, but I did not. Let me see if I've got a flatter one. I don't like that, but I do like these, I think. Yup. You hold that on there a minute. These are going to go out every which way, and I don't mind that at all. There's my finger protector. Yeah, this is a great way. Even your scraps, y'all. Great way to use up scraps. Do I have anything else that I want to put on here before I put these? I think those are going to be so stinking cute. Okay. I think I might call that piece done. Yep, I'm going to call that one done. And then I'm going to add these onto it. Tassel. And the acrylic. Finger protector. Those ended up being about the same length. Do I have anything else that I can put on here? Oh, you know what I really could put on here? And that would kick it up a whole other level. One of those. Yes, I think I will. And that will bring in some more length and some more dimension and make it really bougie. All right, how would you like to have that as a zipper pull? Okay, I like it. And I might put some feathers on it. I don't know. No, I'm not putting any feathers on it. All right, let's finish this thing up. Now, it's going to cover over the top part just like that. And this part will be inside the metal. So let me trim this piece off right here. hope this works. I'll be real honest with y'all. I don't have a clue. Make sure I don't glue my fingers. All right. I'm going to trim this top part off just a little bit because there's a few things sticking out. There we go. All right. Now, this is the back because it has the holes in it. So we are going to place it over the top, just like that, to where it grabs all the way in. And then we take our handy dandy pliers and pinch, if I can. Come on now. It's sliding. I wonder if I have to take those protectors off. I don't want to, because I don't want it to damage. There we go. We'll do a little bit more because that is pretty darn thick. Go on both sides. There we go. Now, I think I would like to add something right here. And I need to figure out what that's going to be. Some sort of bling. Okay, this is my expensive bling, but let me see. This stuff is iron-on. I'm not going to do that on here because I don't know. I would burn my other ribbons. But I wonder, let me see. This is from TEMU. Let's try this. This is adhesive. And we can go all the way around with it. If I can get it out of this dang bag. Super sticky. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's not coming off. How stinking pretty is that? Look at that. Oh, wow. Yeah. I'm going to have to order some more of this stuff. Scissors. Wow. Okay. And there we go. I am loving that. I need to burn the ends of some of these ribbons. So let me get that done. I might V-cut some. We shall see. Burn the ends so they won't fray. and I will come back and show you the finished product. Okay, here we go. Seeing your acrylic with a heart, more dangly bits, the tassel with the 2024. I used up a lot of, I didn't use a lot, but I used a lot of different ribbons that I had on hand and buy anything extra for it. And technically I could have gotten away with not buying these had I looked at my stash, y'all. Look at your stash. But maybe I can sell quite a few of these and I can use up some of it. Anyway, there's not near as much ribbon on here as I've seen on some other folks, okay? But I think I kind of made up for it with the acrylic and the tassel and stuff like that. I think this would be a great zipper pull. Y'all, it's super, super sturdy. Super sturdy. And I kind of think that the reason the other ones look so full is because you fold them over the D-ring to make it. So you're kind of doubling. So you're using twice the amount of ribbon. I don't have a problem with this. I would sell this all day long. All day long. All right, y'all. Let me know what you think. Thank y'all for joining me. If you're not subscribed, please do so. Click the bell so you're notified every time that I upload or that I go live. I'll see you soon. Bye.